this lesson, we're going to review function notation and piecewise functions. Try the examples yourself first, and then you can compare your work to mine. In the first example, we need to evaluate g of 3 if g of x equals 2x squared plus 10x minus 8. G of 3 means we need to plug 3 into the function named g. It does not mean g times 3. Right, so let's take 3 and substitute it into the right-hand side of the equation. Now we can work out the order of operations. First we do the exponents, next we'll multiply. Now we'll add and subtract from left to right. So g of 3 equals 40. In this example, we need to sketch a graph of a piecewise function. H of x is defined to be negative x squared, but only when x is less than or equal to 0. H of x is defined to be the absolute value of x divided by 2 when x is greater than 0. So when the x's are negative, our graph is going to be an upside-down parabola. So that will be negative 1 and negative 1. When x is negative 2, y will be negative 4. When x is negative 3, y will be negative 9. There's our upside-down parabola. When we have positive x's, it will be the absolute value of x divided by 2. So when x is 2, y is 1. When x is 4, y is 2. When x is 6, y is 3. So this part of the graph will be linear. So we have an upside-down parabola on the left and a line on the right. In the last example, we need to evaluate h of negative 3 and h of 10 for the piecewise function we graphed earlier. Right, h of negative 3 means we're going to substitute negative 3 into the function named h. Well, let's see, negative 3 is in the top row here because negative 3 is less than or equal to 0. So we're going to use the function negative x squared. So let's substitute negative 3 into negative x squared. Negative 3 squared is positive 9, but then we need to make a negative. So h of negative 3 is equal to negative 9. To evaluate h of 10, we just need to plug 10 into the function named h. Well, 10 falls in this part of the piecewise function because 10 is greater than 0. So h of 10 will be the absolute value of 10 divided by 2. 10 divided by 2 equals 5, and the absolute value of 5 equals 5. So h of 10 equals 5. As your math skills become more and more sophisticated, you'll find yourself using function notation more and more often. Hope you found this tutorial helpful. Signing off.